Are you looking to earn money on social media platforms like Thread? In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of earning money on Thread. Thread is a new social media platform that offers the potential opportunity to grow and earn money. Since this is a step-by-step guide, we will cover the following topics. Make sure to watch this video till end because you don't know which strategy might click and become a game changer for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and tell me in the comment which strategy you like most. Okay, move forward. Step 1. How to achieve stunning growth on Thread. The process of earning money on Threads follow growth model. The more growth on Thread leads to supercharged earning potential for you. First, you have to learn to earn money by growing on the Thread platform. Make sure your profile is complete and professional looking. Use a clear profile picture and write a bio that describes who you are and what you do. To attract followers and keep them engaged, create high quality content that is relevant to your niche. Use eye-catching visuals and write compelling captions. Use Thread to share your videos and gain followers. Upload your Instagram reels on Threads daily. Cut and upload long YouTube videos on Thread. Experiment with Threads for reach. Consistent posting is crucial for earning money on social media platform. Devote 5 to 10 minutes daily to download and add images from Google for post. Post 3 times a day for 3 months to grow the Thread account. Repost famous posts in your category and engage with big creators posts to attract more followers. You can get followers on Thread by working hard for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Step 2. Choosing a specific niche on Thread. Don't go for random posting on Threads. Choose a specific niche for your post on Thread. Use Thread to share your videos on a specific niche like fishing or how to lose fat or gain highly relevant followers. As the universal truth is consistent posting is crucial for earning money on any social media platform. Step 3. Best technique to grow on Thread. The technique to grow on Thread is using ChatGPT. I will share a ChatGPT prompt in the description. This prompt is set of instruction. All you have to do is to set up rules and tone for the threads. ChatGPT will generate daily threads in specific tone with the given set of rules. Generate minimum 3 daily humorous or professional threads for 30 days on your niche. Step 4. Generating a sharp strategy to become Thread influencer. Generate a strategy for Thread account and grow it over time. Create a strategy for different time period. For example, week 1, 15 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 5 year, and execute it. Post related content with emojis and add images or text to the thread. Step 5. A comprehensive step-by-step process of how to actively make money on Thread. The process of earning money from Thread is not well documented and no video on YouTube or any other platform yet. On platforms like YouTube and Instagram, creators earn money through monetization, sponsorship, and other features. Earning money on Thread is different from Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. Suppose the company devises a social media marketing strategy and divide budget for different social media platforms. Due to fewer creators and influencers on Thread, there is less competition and greater opportunity with earning potential. Thread is a new platform where you can grow and become a Thread influencer. Here are 5 methods on how to earn money on Thread. Number 1 is leverage affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services through affiliate marketing. Find companies that offer affiliate programs and promote their products. Collaborate with brands. If you have a large following, brands may be interested in collaborating with you. You can earn money by promoting their products or services to your followers. Number 3. Offer services. If you have a skill or expertise that is in demand, you can offer your service to your followers. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you can offer design service to your followers. Sell merchandise. You can create and sell merchandise related to your niche. For example, if you are a fitness influencer, you can sell workout gears or mentorship. Number 5 is create and sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates. This is a great way to monetize your expertise and provide value to your followers. Here is a bonus pro tip. Engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This will help you build trust and credibility with your followers. By following these steps, you can build a successful and profitable presence on Thread. In conclusion, Thread is a social media platform that offers the opportunity to earn money. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can grow on Thread and earn money. Remember to choose a specific niche for your post. Use ChatGPT to generate daily threads and create a strategy for your Thread account. With consistent posting and engagement, you can become a Thread influencer and earn more money. That's it for now. Goodbye and keep enjoying my other videos showing on the screen.